The 112th Annual Conference of Nihang Karbi Baptist Association (NKBA) started from 12 January could conclude on 15th of January. It was organized at Antioch Baptist Church under Sapapani Area Baptist Fellowship. The initial day of the conference was receptions to all the delegates at the venue, followed by tent inaugurations and opening prayer by Joseph Hanse, President of Nihang Karbi Baptist Association. The first session was chaired by Joseph Hanse, President of NKBA, and the words of God was delivered by Reverend Tenson Bay, Executive Secretary of NKBA. On the following day, during early hour, 3 parent departments of NKBA hoisted their respective flags, followed by all the delegates to signify their presence at the conference. Different workshops for men, women, and youths were also scheduled following the flags hoisting ceremony. Hours later, a cultural competition among the delegates was held. Around 5 p.m. of the day, during the prayer session chaired by Larson Taro, pastor, views, ideas, and important issues were exchanged among the heads of 3 parent departments of NKBA and Central Committee. Reverend Dr. Anderson Tokbi, General Secretary of Karbi Anglong Baptist Convention, summed up the second day of the conference by sharing the words of God.
Sayang ring atame pichul long bom apen kado kawe kacetong open arna mapana nong pethelong lo son taxi itum ke kroy itum kachiki ke arna mapan ke kroy arna pan kachiki bom pena pot NKB angkang antame amunduri tin tame arna mapan ke kroy pen arna pan chiki pen karjong na tame lapen ogana tame ke miana son hepon bom pena posi khai long nirong para tame mesen isi kathang amilor son plangpo.
Ananterang's report for Karbi Anglong Live.